Happy New Year to all my listeners. Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Developer Tutorial, Recruiting Application Project Part 1, Recruiting Application Introduction. Cloud computing is one of the most upcoming internet-based technology. With a cloud app, we just need to open a browser, log in, do the customization and start using it. It is seen that some of the world's largest companies have shifted their applications to the cloud with Salesforce.com after rigorously testing the reliability and security of their infrastructure. A number of terminologies like SaaS, software as a service, PaaS, platform as a service, and IaaS, infrastructure as a service, have come up with the evolution of cloud computing. It is being considered as the next generation computing model for its advantages. The system has facilitates where prospective candidates can upload their CVs and other academic achievements. Earlier recruitment was done manually and it was all at a time consuming work. Now it is possible with less time and cloud based application cost less. Better recruitment and selection strategies results improved organizational outcomes. The information stored on computers can be accessed from anywhere at any time. Objective and scope. Objective to develop recruitment application that helps the HR to conduct recruitment process and assign positions to hired candidates, provide the facility to HR to access the list of candidates and able to select the candidates that fulfill the requirements of the organization. Scope application automates the recruitment process and make it easy and simple. The application keeps the record of the candidates who are selected in each step of selection process. HR can assign positions to selected candidates, their salary, location, duration, and job description. This application provides HR to track the candidate details before and after. The HR can send them email about location, job profile, salary details, and new updates about the company. Proposed system recruitment application not only track the candidates but also it can automate the interview procedure to recruit the candidate. This application provides the auto mail generation of shortlisted candidates. It holds the list of selected students after each round of interview. It is easily accessible anywhere, anytime. We can also access it through our mobile device. Only we need to install Salesforce mobile app. Recruiting app will be beneficial for hiring the candidates in companies, thus saving manual efforts and time. This app developed on cloud with Force.com platform using Visual Force framework and Apex language. Working of the system. Firstly, the candidate looking for the job will have to register to this app. With any job position available in company, HR will post it on the app. The candidate can search for appropriate jobs and upload their resumes. The information of candidates in the resumes will be extracted through the system and will be checked if it fits in the criteria set by the company. This extraction of information from the resumes will be done using the workflow rules, validation rules, and SOCL. The candidates who satisfy the criteria are notified through automatic email alerts. Qualified candidates will be called for interview. Based on interview, final selection of candidates will be done and HR will display their results through the app. Based on their results, report will be generated and candidates can check their status, reviews of recruiter about them, etc. on the app. The recruiting app will also have Google Map integration which will help candidates find exact location of company and where the branches of company are located. It will also be useful to company through which they can find how many candidates are applying from which city. Thank you.